Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the Xbox game bar and making sure background recording is permitted so clips can be captured. Once open, press Windows plus G to bring up the overlay. This is where you'll control recording. Make sure the capture widget is visible. If not, add it from the widget menu. Set or review your keyboard shortcuts now so you don't interrupt gameplay later. These first steps prepare the system and shortcuts so clipping is reliable when action starts. Once the overlay is set, use the background capture shortcut Win plus Alt plus G to save recent gameplay, or press Win plus Alt plus R to record live. Make intentional choices. Toggle microphone on if commentary matters, and watch the capture timer to avoid huge files. When done, open the gallery in Xbox game bar to review clips. There you can trim start and end points to remove dead time. Trimming keeps files small and highlights the moment you want to share or archive. To finish, export the trimmed clip from the gallery to a local folder or OneDrive for easy access. Once exported, share from the Xbox app or upload to social platforms directly or attach the file manually. If a clip doesn't appear, first confirm background recording was active and permissions granted. Check available disk space and that file paths aren't blocked by antivirus. Restarting the game bar or Windows can resolve persistent issues. Use these checks before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.